beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta Vijay and today we have a very different video, not at all beauty related. It was time that I spoke about my infertility journey, my IVF journey, and I needed to be physically and mentally prepared to talk about it. Now, when I asked you guys, to ask your questions to the doctor that was in charge of my entire process, I got a lot of beauty related questions as well, and that is something that I'm not going to address right now. I will talk about it in the near future. There's going to be a lot more videos that is related to pregnancy and pregnancy care. But today I got, with all that fortunate time, I got the timing from our doctor. This is Dr. Parsram Gopinath, who is the senior consultant as well as the medical director at SIMA. Okay, he specializes in infertility, embryology, as well as advanced technique like oocyte cryopreservation, isn't it? In layman's words, it's basically egg freezing. Okay, that's the very social media term for it. So, doctor, thank you so much for joining my viewers, okay, and welcome to my channel. Would you like to give a small little introduction so that, they would get to know you a little more?
Right, okay. Thank you, Shweta, for this opportunity. I think like we had discussed earlier, I think we definitely needed a platform where we could actually discuss all these issues. And to introduce myself, I am Dr. Parsram Gopinath. I am the senior consultant and medical director at SIMA Fertility Center. I did my undergraduation in JJ Medical College, Davangere, and my post-graduation in SRMC, Chennai. Following that, I have joined my institute where my father is a senior consultant, and I've trained with him in major part of my career. And after that, I did go abroad, like places like Singapore, Germany, wherein I did short courses. But I think what really helped me was basically studying a lot of things on the job. Yes. So I was very fortunate that I was working with my father, who is also a very renowned specialist, and I could actually imbibe in, or I could get in so much of information, so much of, what is fortunate about, I think, our generation, probably the second generation, is that we could learn a lot from the mistakes what others did or our seniors did.
Yes,
so we could actually kind of learn a lot of things. So, and they learned with so much of difficulty, and it so easily got transferred to us. So we could actually, probably one of the reasons that at this part of my career that I could do so well is because of all the information that I got it so well placed in a plate and given it to me. So I think basically, so my major focus, or probably, even though I'm a gynecologist, an obstetrician and gynecologist by my degree, my focus has always been fertility treatment, and probably from the time that I came out, I've only done this. So I'm a very focused fertility specialist, and I do only this.
Head on with passion, isn't it?
Yes.
See, that's the thing why I chose this hospital as well. I get asked a lot of questions from you guys. Why did I choose SIMA? And I shall discuss about it much more in detail, like I said in my various other videos. But the questions that were sent by you, I know a lot of you wanted to be anonymous, and I'm going to keep all that secrecy, keeping that in mind. I'm going to ask your questions, and we are going to get into details so that this video would help you. My main focus of making this video is that in case you're coming to India, because I've got a lot of NRI viewers, if you're thinking of coming to Kerala, you know exactly who to meet, where to go, how much an approximate cost would be, the entire detail, the whole 9 yards of an IVF IUI treatment, as well as egg freezing that so many of you have asked me questions about. Hopefully this video is going to help you. Shall we start, doctor?
All right.
Yeah?